Yeah. Good morning, everyone. This is your one and only evangelist Godwin Nwa Zion. Yeah, I am live at Zion Prayer Movement Outreach, Okota, Lagos, where God makes the impossibility to become possible. Yeah. Where God make impossibility to become possible. Today being the 14th of September 2025. Today being the 14th of September 2025. So I want to use this opportunity, I want to use this medium to invite you all, wherever you are you in the east, are you in the west, are you in the north, are you in the south, wherever you are you in Lagos, you can make it to Zion Ground today. Today is a prophetic Sunday. You know, I am live here in Zion Ground. I am live here in Zion Ground, where all impossibilities are possible. Correct. Can you hear that? Where all impossibility is happening. Yes, is happening. Where all impossibilities are possible. So it's happening. I am live here. Today is prophetic Sunday. So wherever you are, trace your step here. The God of Evangelist Chukwebuka Noziobi is waiting for you to change your story into testimony. To change your story into testimony. To change your affliction into celebration. What you need is just a word from God that is able to change your life. You know, one thing keep encouraging me, you know, to be making this video. There's one thing that is encouraging me to be making this video, and that thing that is encouraging me to be making this video is this. How can you explain this? That someone just came to Zion Prayer Movement Outreach with a lot of affliction, and there was no day that they asked him to bring money to buy this and buy that for prayer, and before you know it, that person's story changed. Such a grace is a grace that they need to talk about. Such a grace is a grace that worth talking about. Such a grace is a grace that worth talking about. And there are a lot of people with so mighty testimony. A lot of people with so mighty testimony. Even my own testimony, the testimony I have is just in fact, there are so many, and all these people, there is nobody that out of all these people that have great, if you hear testimony, if you come to Zion Ground and hear testimony, your mind will blow. And all these people, there is no one person that will say, that as I came to Zion, Evangelist Ebuka asked me to bring money so that I can do spiritual work before I have this testimony. Nobody. And coming to Zion Prayer Movement Outreach, you don't even need to see you don't need to see the prophet. You don't even need to see Evangelist Ebuka and Noziobi. You don't need it to even see him. All what you need is to live a righteous life. Try your possible best to live a holy life. That is all what you need. And once you are able to live a righteous life, once you are able to follow his teachings about righteousness, living a holy life, giving your life to prayer and fasting, you will see testimony. So such a grace worth talking about, my brother, my sister. Such a grace worth talking about. Was such a grace worth celebrating about. That is what is giving me the energy to be talking about this grace. A grace that I came. There was no day that the man of God asked me to bring money. Let them do spiritual work for me. To bring money, let them do prayer for me. Under just 4 months, things started changing. That sort of grace worth talking about. Can I find sister? Good morning. Are we in afternoon or good morning? Can you say hi to the camera? Just say hi. Just say, please, good morning, sister. Just smile to the camera and say hi. Just say hi to the camera. Can you please tell the audience? They want to hear what one thing you love about evangelism. Just say one thing. Just say one thing. Just 1 minute.
I love our daddy Ebuka.
So, why do you love him? That one thing you love about him, that is making you to be smile. Because that one thing, that is the reason why you are smiling like this. Just say one thing you love about our daddy evangelism.
They don't collect money to see him.
That's just, so there's no problem. So that is just it. That grace worth talking about. The grace worth talking about. A grace that you will come, nobody will ask you to bring money. Brother, good morning.
Good morning, brother.
You are a Zion member now.
Sure.
Since I'll be coming to Zion Prayer Movement Outreach, have they asked you one day to bring money for prayer?
No.
So tell us one thing you love about Evangelist Kokobi.
I love many things about him.
Just talk one, just one.
He's preaching.
It's preaching.
Exactly.
Congratulations to you. That brother said he's preaching. So this grace worth talking about. Only what you need in this grace, in Zion Prayer, the only requirement that is needed from you is to live a righteous life. To live a righteous life. Hello, sister. Good morning. Can you say hi to the camera? Can you say hi to the camera? So they want to, these are Zionite smile. The smile, Zionite that smile are so beautiful. So can you tell us one thing you love about Evangelist Bukaobi? Yeah, Mama. Good morning, ma. Can you tell us one thing you love about Evangelist Bukaobi?
Evangelist Bukaobi is 100% man of God.
Somebody say everything.
Yes, everything. He's qualified to be a man of God. He's an uncomparable prophet.
Ha! Are you hearing that? So this grace worth talking about. Look at these are people that are going. This is one thing that give me encourage me to talk about this grace, and I will keep talking about this grace. The last week on Wednesday, I was doing an interview like this, and there's this 3 sisters I met on the way going, and I asked them, and somebody came to the post I make, and the person was saying that those 3 sisters that I interviewed, that the letter locate them. So wherever you are, you can trace your way down to look at people are going to church. Can you say hello? Sir, can you say hello to the camera? Just say hello, Afai. Just say hello. Oh, look at beautiful Zionites. The grace is making them to be beautiful. So wherever you are, you can trace your way down. Zion Prayer Movement Ground or Kota. The God of Evangelist Chukwu Ebuka Nozobi is waiting for you. Is waiting for you. Is waiting for you. Is waiting for you. Just one prophetic word. There is a prophetic word waiting for you that can change. When I came to Zion newly, a friend of mine told me that under 3 months, that if I can be faithful to God, that under 3 months I will see testimony, and that was how it happened. What the only thing required is to be faithful. If you are a married man, you leave cheating. If you are a married man, you leave adultery. If you are a single guy, you leave fornication. Run away from fornication. If you are a single guy, you run away from fornication. If you are a married man, you run away from adultery. Hello, brother. Can you say hello to the camera? Just say hello to the camera. Can you say hello to the camera?
What's going on? Are you doing evangelism? It's good to be in the presence of God every Sunday.
Zion, can you talk one thing you know about evangelism?
Prophecy with instant solution.
Yeah,
that's what I like most.
Wow.
All right.
Are you hearing that? Say prophecy with instant solution. Instant solution. When they say prophecy with instant solution, it's not a joke. It's not a joke. My life changed under 3 months. It's not a joke. There are some beautiful sisters coming. They are going to Zion. Can you say hello to the camera? Just say hello to the camera. Just say hello. Can you come and tell us what one thing you love about evangelism? I know you love it. That's why you are smiling.
No, I'm not ready to talk.
You don't need to talk. Yeah, just say happy Sunday. Just say happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Mama, good morning, ma. It's good afternoon. Can you say one thing you love about evangelism? Just say one thing you love about evangelism.
Prayerful man.
A prayerful man.
Yes.
Can you face the camera and just say?
My face is not good.
Your face is.
I'm not too strong.
Today is your own day. Today is. So just face and say.
Hi to the camera.
Today is your own day.
Amen. It's also your own day.
Amen. So, what are you waiting for? Wherever you are just find your way here. The God of evangelism is waiting for you. And today is your day.
Why they make call like this?
No, I'm making video. Can you say hello to the camera?
How now?
Yeah,
Hello, how you doing now?
Yeah, Mama, good morning. What is that one thing you love about evangelism?
He's a great prophet of our time. In fact, I never see such a person.
Jesus, are you hearing that?
Yeah.
Are you hearing that? Are you hearing that?
He's a great man of God.
Are you hearing that? What encouragement? What encouragement?
The one that they gave prophecy.
Yes. What encouragement are you going to give to the people about for them to find their way? What can you tell them to about say as your own?
What I would tell them, bros. What I would tell my people, sin is believing.
Yeah.
Don't allow yourself to be used by them.
Yeah.
People are saying negative things against the man of God. People that don't want progress.
Yeah.
So what I will tell them is they should come.
Yeah.
And be verified.
Okay.
Do you understand? We don't do church.
Yeah.
We don't believe in negative impact.
Yeah.
We believe in positive impact.
Okay.
Through this man of God, we will locate them and solve their problem.
Yeah.
By the grace of God. It's not by his power.
Yes.
It's only God that is doing the work.
Yeah.
For him.
Yeah.
It's just a vessel.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well done.
Thank you. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Thank you. It is working. Bo.
My daddy in the law is a man of God.
Can you say one thing you love about evangelism?
Daddy Ebuka is a very great man of God. Humanity, he can help people, poor people.
Yeah.
He's a good man. He sacrificed for us. Look at him, this program. You're always down, but he's still working for God. He's doing the work of Jesus Christ, what Jesus Christ did. So you push you. Emulate him. Emulate him. Stop all your rubbish stuff, whatever. Daddy, I love you forever. More grace.
So, as you can see, so we are encouraging you to be part of this great family, and you will enjoy the goodness of God.
Of course.
See you and don't miss today's service. Bye.